you have a hose that is perfectly fine, but the ends are in bad shape. This one, it's hard to see on the video, but the threads on these ends are just done. I can't even get them screwed onto the spigot, the faucet outside. So I didn't want to throw away the hose because it's perfectly good. And instead, I bought this little kit on Amazon, and it comes with 4 repair nozzles. And what it is both ends in brass, much better than this aluminum garbage that came on these and is oxidized, unusable now. And you cut your hose, basically, put it through this barbed nipple, put a clamp on it, and you got a nice new end. Came with essentially 8 tips, 4 male, 4 female, all the washers that go inside and all the clamps and everything. It was less than 10 bucks. I'll put a link down in the description if you guys want to use it. The other thing I'm going to do is, this hose is way too long for where we use it. I put it usually right here, connected to that spigot down there, and we'll run it into the driveway to wash a car, or we'll water some plants back here, but it's just too long, and usually it's just a pain in the butt to wrap it back up. So I'm also going to cut it in half. I'm going to take this whole thing and put the 2 ends side by side, measure it out, find the middle, cut it in half, and I'm going to make 2 hoses out of this one with these little repair tips. So follow along. And if you would like to use the same ones, the link will be down in the description. First thing I'm going to do is take my little razor knife, my box knife, and I'm going to cut the end off of both of these. All right, now I've got it cut nice and flat, and it's ready to go. Well, not perfectly flat, but good enough. Then what you want to do is put this clamp on, slide it right over. Now you want to push the end of the hose over the nipple here, and you don't want to push it all the way up to the very edge where this part is. You want to push it up to this line right here where my nail is. And then once you do that, we'll get the clamp on it. Now that you've got that on, slide your clamp up, and with a flathead screwdriver, tighten that clamp. Got my washer inside there, clamps all tightened up, and it's ready to go.